Hey art friends, today we're celebrating YouTube Kids' 10-year anniversary.
Yeah, it's like their birthday.
Yeah, they're 10 years old, and to celebrate, we're gonna draw one of their characters. Which one?
T.
T is a little bird, and who does he like to hang out with?
The T-Rex.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along. You need your drawing supplies. You can use whatever you have, but we're using markers, some paper, and what else do they need?
Something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw T's eye. We're gonna draw a circle right in the middle of our paper, and he has really big eyes. But I'm gonna draw it this size, right in the middle. Yeah, there you go. I love how big you draw it. Okay, now let's draw his pupil, and we're gonna draw, or the inside of his eyes, we're gonna draw a crescent shape. Then we're gonna draw his beak, and we're gonna draw a sideways V, letter V. So we're gonna leave a little space. We're gonna go straight out from the middle, and we'll leave a little space, and then we're gonna draw a curve going down. And then we're gonna draw a curve coming back. And you could go a little bit past the top. Yeah, and then we gotta give him his big smile. We're gonna start here, and we're gonna draw a curve coming up for the smile. Yeah, there he is. Okay, now we need to draw his head. We're gonna start really close to the end of his beak, and we're gonna draw a big upside down U. So we're gonna start here, we're gonna come up, we're gonna come over, and then we're gonna start coming down on the other side of his eyeball. Yeah, and then over here, next to his beak, we're gonna draw his other eye, and we're gonna draw a curve, but only part of it since it's on the other side of his head. Then we're gonna draw his wing. We're gonna draw it coming down and then curving out. Then we're gonna draw the first feather. We're gonna curve around and then start coming back up. And then we're gonna draw two more feathers, but we're gonna draw them behind this one. So we'll start here and we'll draw it curving down and then curve back in. And then this one I'm gonna draw a little higher. We're gonna draw it curving down and then connect back in. There's T's wing. Now we're gonna draw his belly. See this line right here from his head? We're gonna imagine it going behind the beak, and then we're gonna come out the bottom of his beak, and we're gonna draw his big belly, and then curving into the wing. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, and then let's draw his tail. We're gonna draw it coming out the back. We're gonna just draw a sideways letter U. I like that your wing is sticking out more than mine. It looks like he's gonna get ready to fly.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. So we got this tail feather sticking out, and then we're gonna draw another tail feather right below it, but only half of it. And then T's legs, I really like them. We're gonna draw two lines straight down, and they're really tall legs. And they're the same length. And then his little feet, they're fun. We're gonna draw it curving down like this, and then start curving back up. And then we'll do the same thing over here for the other one. It almost looks like he's wearing shoes.
Yeah, like high heels.
Yeah, kind of. And we did it, we drew T. That was nice and simple, except we still need to
color him.
Yeah, this part will speed up, but at the end you can pause the video to match your coloring. Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring T, and I love yours so much.
Thanks, I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Now, the next time I draw T though, I'm gonna draw his eye a lot bigger. But that's okay, because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. We're practicing. So I promise our art friends too, if they draw T all over again, it'll turn out even better than the first time.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing T.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we also want to say thank you to YouTube for making the Kids app. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.